Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the powerhouse that is the 2024 Audi S8. This is a car that seamlessly blends heart-pounding performance with luxurious comfort, making it the ultimate statement for those who demand the best. The S8 boasts a sophisticated silhouette that commands attention on the road. The signature single-frame grille and sharp lines give it an undeniably aggressive look, while the sportback design adds a touch of elegance. Audi has outdone themselves with the S8's interior. Imagine stepping into a world of premium materials like Valcana leather and genuine wood accents. Everything is meticulously crafted, creating a truly luxurious and driver-focused environment. Technology is at the forefront of the S8 experience. The Audi Virtual Cockpit puts all the information you need right in front of your eyes, and the MMI infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use. But let's not forget the true star of the show, the performance. The S8 packs a powerful twin-turbocharged V8 engine under the hood, delivering exhilarating acceleration and a throaty exhaust note that's sure to turn heads. Despite its impressive power, the S8 handles like a dream. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures you stay planted on the road, while advanced suspension technology delivers a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the 2024 Audi S8 is a car that delivers an unforgettable driving experience. It's a perfect blend of power, precision, and luxury, making it the ultimate choice for the discerning driver. So, if you're looking for a car that can truly do it all, the 2024 Audi S8 deserves a serious look. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Let us know what you think of the new S8 in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.